Welcome all. Today in this video, we will be discussing about what are the ethical issues in medical. So let's start. Firstly, we will see what is medical. Medical law is a branch of law which works in relation to principle, policies, and regulations that govern medical field. Medical law also includes legal issues like protecting patients' right, prohibiting medical malpractices, providing proper information, maintaining privacy of the customer, and maintaining the confidentiality of medical records. The main and the basic aim of medical law is to maintain the interest of patients, healthcare providers, and society, and ensuring that all the medical practices are performed ethically, safely, and fairly. These medical laws brings transparency, accountability, and fairness in the medical field. Here are just some points that are related to medical laws. That are, first, informed consent. Next, confidentiality of maintaining patient's information. Medical negligence, right to refuse the treatment. Next, we will see the importance of medical. So, basically, the medical law are the legal laws, regulation, and standards that govern the healthcare and the delivery of medical services. It is important to protect the rights of both the parties, that is, patient and healthcare professional, and guarantee the patient that all the medical services are delivered safely and ethically. Next are the laws related to medical laws. The first one is Medical Council Act 1956. This act aims over the wrongdoing of medical practitioners. The next is Indian Medical Council Regulation 2002. This indicates the duties and the responsibilities of the registered medical practitioners. The next is the Clinical Establishment Registration and Regulation Act 2010. This act provides registration and regulations of all clinical establishments in India, including hospitals, clinics, and diagnostic centers. The fourth one is the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. This act regulates the import, manufacturing, distribution, and sales of drugs and cosmetics in India. It also established the Central Drug Standards Control Organization to oversee the drug regulation. The fifth one is the Pharma Act 1940. This act governs the practice of pharmacy in India and establishes the Pharmacy Council of India, responsible for regulating pharmacy education and profession. There are many more laws related to medical laws, such as the Mental Health Care Act 2017. Next, the National Law Medical Commission Act 2019. Next, the Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissues Act 1994. Next, here are some standards that a medical practitioner should follow. Maintaining a good medical practices, maintenance of medical records, highest quality assurance, patients should not be neglected, punctuality in consultation, and many more. Next, we will be discussing last at last we will be discussing so ethical issues in medical law refers to complex moral dilemmas and concern that arises at the intersection of medical and the legal system. These issues often involve difficult decisions about patients' right, healthcare provider responsibility, and the broader implications of medical practices on society. Here are some of the key ethical issues in medical law, which includes first, informed consent. The patient should be informed about about advantage disadvantages of the particular treatment. Next is medical research. The, the conduct of medical research ethic must adhere to strict ethical standards, including obtaining informed consent from participants, ensuring their safety, and weighing the potential benefit against the risk. Next is medical privacy and confidentiality. Protecting patients' privacy and maintaining confidentiality is vital in medical law. Next is allocation of healthcare resources. Allocation of healthcare resources such as organs for transplantation or access to expensive treatment may be limited. Ethical consideration arises when deciding how to allocate these resources fairly and effectively. Next is reproduction right and technology. Issues related to abortion, assisted reproduction technology. Next is access to healthcare. Ensuring equitable access to healthcare to all the individuals, regardless to their social economic status or other factors. Next is medical malpractices and liability. Determining responsibility and accountability when medical errors occur raises questions about the ethical responsibility of the health. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.